So, Calibre Bossnut 2020, level T brakes, not the best. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to improve your braking by changing to these Uber Bike Race Matrix pads. It's so easy, I'm even going to do it one-handed while I hold the phone. So, first thing I want to do is take off this clip, put it somewhere safe. You want a 2.5 Allen key. Put it somewhere safe. And you're just going to lift the pads out the top like that. Take your new pads, gently push them back in until you feel the right spot. Take your bolt, do not over tighten the bolt whatever you do, and replace the clip. And that must have taken about 30 seconds one-handed. And these Race Matrix pads do make a big difference over the standard pads.